Alright, little one. Your time to shine. Oh, man. Talk about ancient Optiplex. Oof. No hard drive. Oh, floor hard drive. Where did you go? I know I saw you here when we were moving transmission. Ah! Good as new. Hard drive's in. You stay. Keyboard, mouse, activate. And they say I'm a hoarder. Come here. There's a keyboard around here somewhere. I know I've seen it. Keyboard. Here, keyboard. Where you at? No, rats. Ah! The stash provides. Lights, camera, action. Oh. That's not good. Action. No. I'm gonna need you to action. Hey! I said ask nicely. Thank you. Oh, F1, F2. Aha! And boot from USB. Apply. Exit. Oh, that was violent. Don't do that. Activate. Take 2, please. Ah. The hard drive's making good noises. Come on, floor hard drive. Aha, Windows. Windows is loading the files. We're installing Windows 7 in 2022, baby. Floor hard drive. No work. I enter basement hard drive. Okay. She's going now. That's stressful. That one didn't work. So now we have this one, which is one of my old hard drives that still has good data on it. Oh my god, it's actually installing this time. We're on like the 5th hard drive. It's going. Oh, we got her. We just gotta set a time and we'll get in there. Ha! Man, I miss 2013.